So a lot of the day traders or a lot of the J traders got into PIRS. Roman, did you get into this one?
I got into that one. Yep. A
Why don't you
couple
walk us
times.
through what you did?
Couple times. We got a first buy show me around, I would say midday. We got a buy show me.
Oh, right here,
And
right? The 7 o'clock hour.
yeah, 7 o'clock hour. We got a buy show me and a sell show me. It was actually right in the beginning. Maybe like it had its huge run at the open.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah. So at the
There we go.
open,
That's a good one.
yeah, at the open, it had its big run. It sold off, and then it reset. I think we got in at like around. I got in a little late at $2.80, and then it actually ended up running up to
Like it went almost to
290.
3.
It went to 290. So I got 10 cents out of it. It was pretty good. And then it started trading sideways again, and then I traded it one more time. I actually waited to enter this one. The buy show me came in, I think, a little bit like at 280. And I waited for a little bit to make sure that, the candlesticks were going to go up. And I got in at $3, and it just took off right from there.
Right here?
Yep.
Nice.
Right from that candlestick, and it went up and up. And then I got out at that sell show me in the aftermarket hours. And you can see that it's resetting again right now because it's live. This is real time right now, Tuesday. So
yeah, it's starting to go here. I actually sold out before market close, just because we've had a few stocks that have tanked right after market. So I ended up selling right at market close on this particular one. But yeah, it took off after market. Man, that was awesome. And you were able to get all that, huh?
Yeah, because
awesome.
We have other indicators, right? That show us if the stock can go higher. And I was waiting for one particular indicator to show some signs of, hey, this stock's going to go down, and it didn't budge. So I was like, okay, let's hold this thing to the aftermarket, and ended up playing out pretty good. And then finally that indicator started showing signs of weakness, which price started to drop, and then the sell show me showed up, and then we got out. I think it showed up around like the 420 area. 430 area. So
yeah, it was a fairly long play too. It's like a full hour watching that thing. Yeah. It took a while for it to materialize completely.
Yeah, an hour and 35 minutes to be exactly is when it's how long I was holding on to the stock, and I was able to ride it from $3 to $4.20, which is pretty awesome. To get a dollar run.
Yeah, that's a solid trade right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfectly set up, this one. It's set up perfectly. Sometimes holding into the close can be risky just because, things drop down. It was set up nice, and you made the right call, man. You stayed in at the end of the day, and we're able to catch another 30, 40 cents. So awesome.
Yeah, another cool thing about PIRS here is the news drop on it. So apparently they're partnering up with a company, and the company is going to give them like a whole bunch of money. Like I think right now they can get, what was it, like $4 million? They can get it right now, and then they're entitled up to like $1.4 billion. So I mean, great news. They're a respiratory company, so they do a lot of drugs for people who have respiratory problems, especially with COVID going on. So people have respiratory issues, so they're planning on helping people there. PIRS also opened up at like $1.80. I think it opened up at, or something. Well, I love playing these stocks here because for anywhere that like the $1, $2, $3 stocks, those are really good to play, especially when you got a share structure like PIRS. I think they only had like a 40 million float, which is really low. And normally those stocks run dollars, in which this one ran, $1, $2. Now it's already up to it's almost at like $5. Look at that.
Right. And if you look back on the trades, it's awesome because this is today, right? So we got the open here. We're on Hawaii time, so it's 3:30 in the morning. You got a buy point here. You got a sell point over here. So this basically is, at 224 at the open. Sell point comes in at 254. We got another buy point that comes in about the same. And then we get another sell point at the 280 mark. Another buy point in the 270, back out at 280, and then in for the bigger one where we got there was dollars being made here where it was 280, all the way up to the $4 range. So this was a great trading stock for the day, and with the system, it was just it really made it easy to get in and out. And these are the ones we love to see because they it just follows the system to a T.
Yeah, $3 is also a like psychological point too, especially when a $2 stock is just battling. It was battling all day trying to get to 3. It was getting so close, but once I saw it like hit the 3, I was like, oh, this thing is going for it. There was other indicators that I saw that were materializing on this particular stock that I was just like super excited about, and I actually kind of gave a heads up. We have a trading chat room where we all kind of help each other out with finding stocks. And this one, I was like, hey, this thing's $3, and the charts are looking great, and hopefully people got in and made some good money on it. So I had a great time trading this one. Actually, one other reason why I sold too. I was weighing the money. Sometimes when I'm weighing the money, I like to kind of wait a little bit longer to see what happens. But I was like, no, I don't want to be too greedy, so I got out.
Yeah, greed kills, man.
Greed kills.
That's why we got the system, so we stay away from the greed. That's exactly why I sold out at the end of the day, because sometimes you don't know which way it's going to go, even though it was set up perfectly with all the other indicators. We had a couple that dipped, but yeah, you made the right call there. That was awesome. So great trade. Love it.
Trade. Yeah.